Today we are going to see the first lesson of English in your class 8th standard. The first lesson is The Nose Dwell in Prose. Ramaya was a simple man living in the town. There was a man called Ramaya who was living in a town. Town is a place near a village. He lived with his wife in nice house made of tiled roofs. That is, he lived with his wife in a tiled roofed house. Tiled roofed house, tiled roof house means it's a otu veedu. This is tiled roof. Okay. He was not rich, but he could take care of his family. He is not that much rich. Romba vasadi illa, but he could take care of his family. He will look after his family. Two sparrows built a nest in a nice spot in the roof of Ramaya's house, and the mother bird laid eggs in it. Two birds laid eggs in their nest in Ramaya's house roof. Okay. Now the two birds talking with each other. First the male bird is saying, "My dear." What the male bird is saying? My dear. My dear means an anbe. And what do you want now? Asked his wife. The wife bird is asking, what do you want? Why does the lady of this house always quarrel with her husband? They were talking about Ramaya and his wife. Why that lady is quarreling with his husband? How am I to know? Said the female bird. So now the bird is asking how I am behaving with you. Let us mind our own business. Now let us talk about our own business. You are always self-centered. Self-centered means you are concentrate on your thing. You are very selfish like that. So the male bird is saying to the female bird that you are very self-centered, and added, should we not help this poor Ramaya? Should we help this Ramaya? The male bird is saying to the female bird. The female sparrow said the disdain, let me see what help you can do for him. Disdain means feeling of contempt. Let me see what help you can do for him. We will think of it. Abdina, the female bird is saying to the male bird, please do not talk about what does not concern us. The female bird is saying, don't talk what we don't want. That is not our business, like that. The female bird is saying, and the bird is saying, see that the cat does not come to near our house nest. We have to protect our eggs. That is our birds. So the cat should not come near our nest. That would be enough for you and me. The male bird is asking. That is enough for you, like that. The male bird is asking to the female bird. Somewhere in the muck heap lay a diamond nose jewel. The female bird saw her diamond nose jewel, and she picked it and came to the. Actually, the male bird saw it and it picked the nose jewel and came. The male bird picked it up and came to the nest with a shining stud in his beak, and said to his wife, look, do you like this? The male bird is asking the female bird about the nose What is that? Nose jewel. Do you like this? Like that, the male bird is asking the female bird. The wife bird replied, what am I to do with diamond nose studs or with earrings? What I am going to do with this? Like that, the female bird is asking. Find some crab. The young ones are hungry. Find some crab means some food for our young ones. That is for our babies. Find some food for our babies. Like that, the female bird is telling to the male bird. The bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went in search of little worms for the young ones. The male bird dropped the diamond stud in the floor and went in search of food, that is search of worms for the young ones. Ramaya's wife noticed the jewel as she was sweeping the floor. What happened? Ramaya's wife, that is that village man, Ramaya's wife saw the nose stud in the floor while sweeping. He picked it up with delight and wore it. What Ramaya's wife did, she picked the nose stud and she wore it. Ramaya questioned her angrily. How did you get this diamond stud? Ramaya asked his wife, how you got this diamond stud? I found it lying here yesterday, took it. That is all. What I did, I found that nose stud yesterday in the ground and I took it. We should go and hand over it to the village magistrate. We should hand it to the magistrate. Means magistrate is a judicial officer of the town. Ramaya is saying that we should hand over the nose stud to the magistrate. If tomorrow the police should come and search our house, it will be disgrace to us. If tomorrow the police come here and search this nose stud, will be disgrace. It will be disgrace means dishonored to us. In Meenakshi Ammal's house nearby, the talk went thus, I forgot and left in the bathroom. Kupai, the servant woman, must have swept it out. She is very careless and ignorant. Ramaya is talking about that there some ladies were talking there near Meenakshi Ammal's house. She kept her nose stud. She forgot and left it in the bathroom. But that Kupai, the servant, swept it out. Mother Meenakshi Ammal consoled her little girl, saying, let us search and find it. Don't tell father yet. Consoled means disappointment. With disappointedly, the mother Meenakshi Amma is telling to her girl, that is her girl, that don't tell to your father, we will search the nose stud. We would go into a rage if we knew that you had lost the diamond nose stud. அப்போ வந்து கோவப்படுவார். He would go into a rage if he knew that I have lost that nose stud. If our father knew that I lost the nose stud, he will go into rage. Like that Meenakshi Amma is telling to his daughter. What is the secret you are whispering? Asked Ramanadam. That is Meenakshi Ammal's husband is asking what you are whispering to our daughter. The loss of the jewel had to be admitted. Soon the whole village knew about the maid servant Kupai was suspected by everyone to have stolen it. Everyone is suspecting that Kupai, that servant would have taken the nose stud. The police came and searched her hut but could not find nothing. The police came to Kupai Amma's house, that is servant house, and searched the nose stud, but they couldn't able to find it. Ramaya's heart was in flutter. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. Ramaya's heart was in a flutter, means Ramaya was not comfortable. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. Means Ramaya's wife took that nose stud and put it in a jewel box, and she acted like that she is having a fever, that she is suffering from fever, and she was confined in her bed. Confined means she went to her bed. No one thought of searching their house. No one went to Ramaya's house for searching. The he sparrow said, "Look at the fun, my dear. The lady of this house is sacred and is down with fever." Now, coming to the bird story, the he sparrow means the male sparrow is telling to his wife, "Look at the fun, Jokaparim. My dear, the lady of this house is scared and is down with fever. See, this lady took the nose stud. Because of that, she was scared and she is getting fever now." "Nice fun indeed," said the she sparrow. "Yes, this is a good joke." The female sparrow is saying that this is a good joke. The poor woman is in a panic. Panic means frightened. She was a poor woman. She got frightened. That's why she is having fever now. "And a good thing too," said the cruel male sparrow. The male sparrow is saying, as she was getting a fever is a good thing. "It is all your doing. You brought and threw it here and tempted her," said the female bird. The female bird is shouting, "It is your job. You did it. You only threw the nose stud there and tempted her to take the nose ring." The male bird answered gravely. Gravely means seriously. The male bird answered seriously, "Did I tell her to steal the thing? Did I told her to steal the nose ring? This is bound to happen when humans are being greedy." This is bound to happen when humans are being greedy means that lady is having a greedy manner. That's why she is stolen the nose ring. Rightly said, we should never be greedy for what belongs to others. The male bird is saying we should not take others' things that is result into greediness. Come, let us go now and bring some worms for the young one. So the male bird is calling the female bird to bring some worms for the babies. Babies means the birds. And the two flew out. The two birds flew out. Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of their life in fear of being caught. After that, Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of their life in a fear because they stole the ring. nose ring. The diamond nose jewel may still be with him, but the fear of getting caught was even more. See, the diamond ring, the diamond nose jewel may be with them, but the fear with them is not gone. Yes? Now, we are going to see about the author of this lesson. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, 1878 to 1972. His lifespan is till 1972. Informally called Rajaji. Rajagopalachari only is called as Rajaji, was an Indian politician. Indian politician means அரசியல்வாதி. Independence activist. Independence activist means பொது சேவையாளரா? Independence activist means பொதுநல சேவையாளர், lawyer, writer, historian and statesman. Rajagopalachari was born in the village of Thorapalli in the Krishnagiri district. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India. Rajagopalachari was the Governor General of India as India soon became a republic in 1950. See, in 1950 Rajagopalachari was the first Governor General of India. Since before him the posts were held by British nationals. Before him, the British people were ruling India. He also served as leader of Indian National Congress. He was also the leader of Indian National Congress, Premier of the Madras Presidency, Governor of the West Bengal, Minister for Home Affairs of Indian Union and Chief Minister of Madras State. These are all the posts which Rajagopalachari was in. He was one of the first recipients of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. He was one of the first recipient, means he had the Bharat Ratna award also.